If your Apple Watch says digital crown is locked, then it means that you turn on water lock on your Apple Watch. So with the water lock on your Apple Watch, you can swim with it, and once you are done, eject the water on your Apple Watch. So now we have the water lock enabled on your Apple Watch. If you try to use the digital crown, you should say port access, press and hold crown to eject water on your Apple Watch. So with this, it's going to say digital crown is locked on your Apple Watch. Now to unlock it, all you simply need to do is go ahead, press and hold the digital crown on your Apple Watch for about 1 second or 2. Then you should see unlocking, then you should see unlocked ejecting water. And after that, your digital crown is going to start working. You can now go ahead, type in your Apple Watch passcode if you set up any, and that is it. You can see your digital crown is now working. So this is the why is my Apple Watch saying digital crown is locked. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.